And today on this episode of what can I record but not edit, the only reason I say that is because I have probably 3 whole videos that I should have already uploaded and given to you guys, but I've been so stressed out, I've been flustered, and honestly I've been just not putting in the time to do this, and I don't know why. I put in the time to build the car and everything, but recording it gets kind of hard sometimes just because I don't want to waste the time to record what I'm doing, but it's honestly not that big of a deal. It's not that hard. I just have to record it. So I'm gonna start doing that. You guys will get weekly content. I'll have, at least for now, 1 video every single week posted on Sunday mornings at 9 o'clock East. On Sunday mornings at 9 o'clock on AZ time. Not Eastern time, but AZ time. So I'm gonna grab the respirator right now, and then we're also gonna grab some primer just to see our highs and low spots, and then the bondo. Come back out here for my sander and shit, which is up there. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so I just got all this shit sanded down. I'm just gonna wipe up the fender right now from this part where I 80 gridded it up here as well, and then probably add a few more spots just on where the open metal's at. And then after that, after the bondo dries and everything, we'll get it all smoothed out, get it looking good, just because this was horrid. I know you guys can see all the rivets and stuff. I might not be able to get all of them out, but I can get most of them out. But yeah, I just need to get these back on because on Friday I'm gonna be heading out to Cali, and I'm gonna try and hit a drift event while I'm out there because they don't require you to have a roll cage. So I'm gonna try and hit that, record it, and then hopefully we can come back and I can get started on the wide body of the car, just because I mean, if I'm gonna be repainting my fenders and everything, I might as well start my wide body. So we're just gonna keep getting down on that, and then go from there. After that, we'll primer it and everything, but I'm just gonna lay down some bondo and wait for that to dry. All right, so we got kind of a decent layer on there. I kind of tried to spread it out as much as I could, kind of hitting this spot a little bit more just because there was some more damage right there. But we got to get right up in here as well, right here. But most of this is pretty covered, so I can sand this down. I just gotta wait for it to dry, which I got it in the sun, so it shouldn't be too bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bondo that. I'm gonna bondo the front and the sides as well, and then I'll get back to you guys as soon as we get all of that bondoed with body filler. All right, we just kind of finished up doing what we needed to do. I got the bondo put on everywhere. I got a couple spots sanded where I wanted to. I just got to come through on like 3 or 4 more spots, just kind of fix them up and sand them down and stuff. But I kind of washed this one down after going over all this with 1000 grit, so it's super smooth. I just got to re-bondo up into here just a tad, just to fix kind of the leveling issue that's going on there. But other than that, just need to sand down a few more spots. I'll go get some 1000 grit. I need to get some more tomorrow. But yeah, we just got to sand all this down and then go back over it, and we'll be able to I still got to get up here, but we'll be able to get some primer on this and stuff tomorrow. I think this looks absolutely magnificent. Gonna wet sand it tomorrow, and then we'll be able to go back through it. We'll be able to primer over the whole fender, that whole fender, and I'm probably just gonna mob out to Cali with primered fenders and then come back and I'll be able to paint them. But I just want to get them all wet sanded tomorrow. I got most of the bondo on there that I wanted to. Just gotta bondo up a few more areas and then get them fully wet sanded, get them all good, looking good, ready to go. And then we can pop over and stick them back on the car. get ready to head out to Cali tomorrow. And I'm gonna be stopping over at this place called, I think it's Infinity Motorsports. It's up in Phoenix. And I'm gonna see if they got a hood that I can grab real quick. And if they don't, then I'm probably just gonna go through and fix my hood, or I'll just go find a carbon fiber aftermarket hood, just that somebody has used or whatnot from them, and I'll buy it used and refurbish it and stuff, repolish it up, because mainly all that needs to be done on carbon fiber is where people screw up at is the clear. Just needs to get re-cleared, just to polish it up and re-clear it. So anyways, I'm happy with how this has been coming out. I'm happy with how this is going because it's been a process. I've had super small rock chips and stuff, like you guys can see up here, all these little rock chips. This was all over my fenders, like all over them. So I'm finally starting to get the paint how I want it and everything, and these are gonna be going to Nardo gray. They're not gonna be going back white. So I'm gonna be over time painting my car myself, doing it how I want to do it, and if it doesn't come out right, then I guess we'll go get it professionally painted. Nah, it should be all right, but I got kind of the steps down. It's just takes some time, so don't rush yourself. And that'll do it for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, because I sure enjoy making these videos for you guys. And if you guys have any questions or concerns or any comments you want to add on maybe what I could do better to get my bondo stuff right, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, it's Dallas Builds, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.